these are the pages that I'm going to be using in the faux leather wallet book. It's Stamperia's Time is an Illusion for Scrapbooking pack. It's not a particularly big one, but it is very nice, so I'll show you what is in it. Absolutely gorgeous pages, and the trouble is that you don't want to cut them up once you've got the pack. They're just really much too nice. I wish I'd bought two because it's both sides of the page, so you have to decide which one you're going to keep and which one you're going to cut. Isn't that lovely? It's absolutely beautiful. Here are the tags and things all ready for you to cut out. Just absolutely gorgeous. Quite complicated images. I'll just put this one. Isn't that lovely? Just knocked my fabric tack on the floor, so to pick that up. And of course they all go together, don't they? I think this would make a nice cover for the little bit that I didn't have enough of the faux leather paper. Or this one maybe. That page would also do, wouldn't it? But I think I'm going to use the one I said. Hopefully it's not on the back of there. No, it's not. That one. So I'll tear that one out. And then I can cut it to size. First of all, I want to cover this bit, so I'm going to need 3 inches of it to do that. It really hurts to cut this up. That needs must. Let's do a little bit over, I think. So now I've got a piece that I can use on the edge there. I've just fitted it against the side, and I'm going to score just down where it stops. So there we go. Now I've just got to stick it down. Not sure whether I'll do the other side or not as well. I think that definitely enhances that edge. It's almost as nice the other side. See, it's so difficult to decide with this beautiful paper, and it's quite thick. You could use double-sided tape as well for this. But I'm not going to, because there is the closure to think about. And if I do it with double-sided tape, then I've got to go through the closure with the closure, and that might be difficult. That should do it. And I'll just cut off the little excess bit at the bottom. Now I'm going to ink round the edges. With Gathered Twigs Distress Ink. That's my favourite one, and it's the one that I go to most often. I haven't decided whether to do that side or not yet. You can see how nice and shiny it is once you've put the Mod Podge on. There's a little tear in the leather there. That's to be expected because it's quite fragile. Right. Now I've decided to go ahead and do the other side as well. So they've both got a piece at the side to reinforce, and I'm going to put this piece in the middle. Just loving this paper. If your fabric tack goes a bit sticky, which mine is starting to do, you can thin it out a bit with nail varnish remover. And that makes it a lot easier to apply. Now, to make sure that's stuck properly, I'm going to put a heavy book on it. I'm going to be very patient and leave that to dry and set. I've taken the cover to the sewing machine and I have stitched all along each of the sides apart from the two ends, and all the way down each partition to strengthen it. And so now I have the basic cover. I think it looks very nice. I'm happy with that. I like the colour of the faux leather, which covers the inside as well as the out, and hopefully the pages will fit inside just right. So the next job is to put in the centerpiece where the pages are going to stick, and I'll be doing that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that process, and I hope you'll come back for the next video. Bye for now.